تمام هنا تعالي هنا ها
ايوه انا قالت. What's your name?
جريمة
Darima? Darima. احنا فشخنا في
سلام
Yeah, namaste.
Namaste.
We are from Nubia and welcome
Yeah.
to Nubia.
Shukran.
Welcome, same color.
Yeah, same color.
Grandfather is like same.
Same? Okay.
Sugar cane,
Yeah.
100 Egyptian.
No, I know the local price.
Okay, 50.
Okay,
Discount.
okay.
Okay.
No, original price is 25. Hello, welcome to the new video, guys. Right now I am in Egypt in a town called Aswan. Right near me there is River Nile, one of the most ancient river in the world. Just look at this. So I am just exactly staying across River Nile. How crazy, how insane. See this guy on the boat. So cool. This is how the place looks like, and you see across the river that side it's like the main Aswan city center, and right now I'm in the Nubian village. So this side is the Nubian village where I'm staying, and I'm currently in the terrace. Let me show you around the views in the Nubian village, how the people live, how the houses look like. This side we see traditional homes of Nubian people, Nubian tribe. Whoa, just look at this one, guys. This is Nubian village. That's how people make their houses in this community. And actually my hotel is this one, which is also kind of traditional Nubian hotel. So I'm staying in a very beautiful homestay right across the village. So this is the starting of the Nubian village, and very soon we are going towards that side, more market area, more internal side. That's the mosque. So wonderful, guys, amazing. So Nubian people are also known as Nuba. They live between Egypt, South Sudan, Sudan, and also they have been migrated towards Kenya. Some of them can be found even in Kenya, maybe more countries, I am not sure, maybe Chad also. Let me know in the comments. But I know at least they live between Egypt, Sudan, South Sudan and Kenya. 4 countries that I know of. So let's start this new video. Let me show you around Nubian culture. Nilotic tribal groups, which are Masai tribe, Dinka tribe, Turkana tribe, Luo, Nuba, Mundari and some more. These are the names I know of. So welcome to North Africa, guys. Let's see culture of Nubian people. Let's start this video. Let's go. This is the hotel where I'm staying at, and these are the kids here. So very nice, very happy kids. Bye bye. And let's go around. Wow, so loud. So guys, this is like rickshaw, or you can say auto bajaji in Nubian village. This is used as a transport here, and let us go around and see how is the village. This is a very famous place. Many tourists, they come and stay here in the Nubian village, so very accessible easily for tourists. So see, that auto is coming again. It's used as a transport right there. Nice. Wait, let him come. See, as a transport. Haha. Life in Egypt, life in Aswan. Welcome. So guys, we are entering the more interior side, and it's not like only Nubian people are living here. Of course, there are many Arabic, other Egyptians also, mixed Egyptian or Arabic Egyptian also, but majority are Nubian, I think so. But I can see all kind of communities here. But the place is called as Nubian village. I don't know why. So let's go more. Walk a little. So see, this guy I think is Nubian. Guys, Nubian hookah. Just look here. Salam. Nice. Guys, hookah in Egypt is so strong. I have just tried hookah once and I did not like it. Usually I don't drink or smoke, so it's not a huge thing, but it's very strong in Egypt. You can smell it from far. So, see, everyone is just having coffee and drinking hookah. He's making one for himself. It's okay, let's go. I think I should not be here as a woman. So, usually sometimes they sit separately, men to women. In some cafes they are together, so it's always good to notice and just move. This is one old building, and I said this in my previous video that vibe in Sudan, Egypt, some Middle East countries, Iran is little bit like Punjab, you know, little bit like North India. Not maybe not 100%, but some hint. So it's like for me, so it's not totally different. I feel calm, but I don't feel calm when there are scammers around. So wow, it's so quiet, nobody. See the mosque. There is the mosque. Oh, that's the mosque. Some work for the road, I think so. What is it? Is it electricity, water, sewage? So something is happening here. The whole road is just open. Someone is building this house. Wow, today no one is in the village much. It's Wednesday. भाई पूरे गांव में कंस्ट्रक्शन ही कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है. तो बाप रे. Guys, I won't say this is a village. This looks more like a town. This is not really like a village. Oh, kids are playing. Hello. What's your name? Sophia. Nice, thank you. Hello. वो देखिए बच्चा पार्टियर वहाँ बैठी है, वहाँ से बुला रही है. बट उससे पहले मैं आपको यहाँ पे गेम दिखा देती हूँ. बट हम जाएंगे कैसे उस तरफ? This is so much. Hey, kids are playing. Let's cross from this side. So guys, see the ground here in Aswan in the Nubian village, and they all are playing games. Oh, there are more tourists here actually. That's crazy. तो भाई यार ये लाइफ है इधर नूबियन विलेज में, जिसको मेरे हिसाब से टाउन बोलना चाहिए, बट इसको नूबियन विलेज बोलते हैं इस जगह को एग्जैक्टली. एंड ये लोग लिटरली फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, बच्चा पार्टी लोग. हम लोग मैदान पे आ रखे हैं अभी फ़िलहाल. मैदान के सामने बिल्कुल यहाँ पे एक और मॉस्क है, और इधर दुकानें बनी हुई हैं बाहर की तरफ. एंड आप नूबियन आर्किटेक्चर तो ऑफ कोर्स देख रहे हो भाई. यहाँ पे ना बहुत सारे घर ऐसे गोल शेप में है. ये देखिए इस तरफ भी गोल शेप में, ऊपर राउंड. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द नूबियन हाउसेज आर like a cave, like round. And see, they are playing football, all the kids. Nice. You see, you know, I am filming it like kind of live. See, no one is disturbing me, no one is scamming me in this side of Egypt. I feel so calm. If it was Cairo, already my head would be paining. You know, they don't care, they're not even talking to me. And I actually like it. Oh, I'm in the middle of their ball. Not even one child has talked to me. Oh my goodness, this is the most peaceful I have felt in Egypt. The most peaceful. So, see, he just walked past by in front of me, did not even say hello, did not. Oh, this one is saying hello, hello, hello. Guys, this is the most peaceful I have felt in Egypt. In Luxor and Cairo, all the Egyptians, they were just buy this, talk to us, this, that, that. Hey, this is so peaceful. Nubian people, guys, we are in the Nubian village. I cannot believe. You know, if you have been to Egypt, you will understand what I mean right now. Like, no one is disturbing me. It's such a luxury in this country. See, I'm standing here already 2 minutes at least, I think so, 2-3 minutes. They don't care. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is good. This is good, okay? This is okay. I was tired with Luxor and Cairo, always eating my mind. Jesus. Thank you. How are you? Good? Mm. Do you speak English? Okay. Thank you.
Welcome to Nubian.
Yeah, welcome to Nubian. Yeah, thank you. Hind, India. Same here. Nice to meet you. Guys, this is so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, close, eh? Okay. The owner is not here. Okay, after. Okay. Guys, no one is disturbing me. This is not real. I was telling you, okay, I have not yet been to black Egyptian areas. Let me go and see before I judge. I want to eat kunafe. Where can I find kunafa? Oh, let's buy juice. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
Yes. And you?
Yeah.
Yes.
How much?
This is one sugar cane.
Yeah.
100 Egyptian.
No, I know the local price.
Where are you from?
India.
India.
How much
Okay.
for this?
Okay. For this? Okay. 50. We
Okay,
get discount.
okay.
Okay.
No, original price is 25. But I pay you 50, no problem.
Up to you. No problem.
Okay,
We get discount,
50,
no problem.
50, okay. 50 is okay.
25.
50, 50, 50.
It's okay.
भाई ये लोग अब अरबी लोग हैं, अब मैं क्या बोलूँ. कुछ लोग करेंगे मतलब गरिमा रेसिज्म क्यों कर रही हो, बट आप लोगों ने खुद बिहेवियर देखा कि नूबियन लोगों ने कैसे बात करी. और अभी मैं अरबी से मिली हूँ, इसने एकदम से कैसे मतलब धोखा देना शुरू कर दिया. मतलब लाइव चल रही है यार वीडियो, देयर इज नॉट इवन वन पॉज. आई हैव नॉट शट डाउन माय कैमरा, दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग लाइव एंड यू हैव सी द क्लियर डिफरेंस how black people have talked with me and not disturbed me, did not scam me. And as soon as I met the brown Egyptian, he was already asking me extra money. This is life. Our juice, and we have entered this area. This looks like a area for tourists.
Crocodile house. Crocodile.
Huh?
Crocodile house.
Oh, thank you.
Just talking up along.
It's tourist area in the Nubian village. You can take photos. There are shops for tourists, just like Luxor. We went to Luxor market yesterday. Is it spice or is it colors? Wallah. Wow. Spice, but I didn't know what's the blue one. So this is the market, guys. Let's see today how will be our experience in the Nubian market. Thank you. Here is Turkish.
Turkish. This is Arabic coffee. I have
Yeah,
this
Middle East, Turkish, Arabic, and this is Ethiopian and Sudani.
Yes.
Yeah,
And Nubian, this Nubian.
Nubian also. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. Like this for handmade.
Are you making coffee?
Yes, you. Yes.
Ah, okay. Guys, he's keeping the Arabic,
This.
Turkish, Middle Eastern coffee, the copper one, and then he have this one also. Near my hotel is 30 pounds. Sometimes. Hello. Kind of. Kind of. Yeah. He literally did not ask me, do you have YouTube? He asked me, are you famous? Lols. Let's find another coffee shop with Ethiopian pot. Maybe he will give for 25 or 30. So, guys, that's two styles of coffee. Middle Eastern, Turkish, Arabic, and Ethiopian are like my favorite, top favorite, more than espresso. So, guys, this is the harbor for the people who are coming with private boats in a group. So, like a tour, and then you reach this harbor, and right next to the harbor there is the market. So, this is the market, and this is the ferry port. People are telling me that here you cannot find public ferry, so if you are 2-3 people, it's more better to share together. So all the tourists you see, they enter here with the ferry and then they explore this market. Jesus. So all the tourists are gathered here in the market area. Sava, but I'm not French. Wow, so they just come here. How are you? Good? تمام؟ ها؟ ها؟ سلام.
اسمها روعة ودية الأندرو كيف عرفتها؟ تيك توكرز
يوتيوب.
يوتيوب أيوة أنا عندها في اليوتيوب
ايوه انا قاعد.
What's your name? What's your name?
جريمة.
دارم
يوتيوبر يا الفيديو تنزل يوتيوب أيوة نرويج
نايس.
اسمي نرويج
شكرا شكرا شكرا.
عندك كم سنة؟
ثانك يو. Salam, salam. Bye. Wow, they came, I think, to explore. Nice, so cool. Hey, so many camels. Jesus, wow. Guys, so many camels. Hey, this was good. Nice. Kids in Egypt are usually so good. I've been saying this.
Welcome to Nubian.
Thank you.
Welcome. From where?
India.
India. Namaste.
Namaste.
We are from Nubian. Welcome
Yeah.
to Nubian.
Shukran.
Welcome. Same color.
Yeah, same color.
Grandfather is like same.
Same?
Yes,
Okay.
of course.
Same.
What's your name?
Garima.
Garima.
Mm.
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yes.
No. Your name?
Yes, my nickname Jamaica.
Your nickname is Jamaica.
Yes.
And what's your real name?
Bob Marley.
Bob Marley. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome to see you.
Mm-hmm. Bye bye. Wow. This is the jewelry shop. Guys, that was so random and so crazy. Hello. Yes, India. I like your hair.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, nice. Guys, that was so random. Those girls, those kids, oh, so good. I've been saying this since my first video that children in Egypt are just, they spark up. Nice. So guys, we found this coffee shop and he also have Ethiopian, Sudani, Nubian coffee pot. This is made from mud if you don't know. And in Nubian culture, Sudani culture, Ethiopian culture, these people, they drink coffee made from this. This is one of the oldest ways to make coffee and it's very delicious when made like this. So
Sweater wash in water.
uh-huh.
Keep it here. After I take this, wash, you can see. After soap again.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Guys, I just took the coffee you saw behind the shop, and my camera was off. I was offering guy the money. See, this is £100. I'm just coming out of the shop. Just it's 10 meters behind me. And I'm owning my camera right now. He did not take money from me. This happened to me first time in Egypt that people did not took money. He was a Nubian guy and he was like, no, please, it's a welcome drink. Come next time and pay. Thank you. So, wow, he did not, Wow, nice guys. Let's go back now. It's already dark. So, see, it's already very dark and many tourists have also went back from the market. So, let's go back now. And it was a nice experience. So yeah, taken the tuk-tuk. These guys are literally calling by saying tuk-tuk, tuk-tuk, same word like Asia. So let's go tuk-tuk. Ah. Okay. Okay. Mama, hello. Mama is going with us. Let's go. Guys, I don't bargain nowadays so much. Just for 5 minutes tuk-tuk, I am paying £50. It should be actually 25. But anyways, let's go. Disco lights, you see. Wow.